Today, I have a short video on how to prep and reinforce your A-arms. Today's goal is to remove any rust, reinforce the factory stamping, and protect the A-arm from future damage. The first step is to cut some mild steel pieces to reinforce the A-arm ears. This will ensure that the ears will not get bent when installing new bushings. After a few tack welds from our TIG welder, we'll go ahead and do the full weld. Using a bandsaw, I cut the 2-inch wide mild steel piece. The bigger reinforcement piece will ensure that the factory stamping won't bend or flex under high load. My factory A-arm had some very large pits in it, so I'm going to fill them in with weld wire. And this is what the reinforcement pieces look like when they're all finished. I then sandblasted the A-arm and powder coated it. I hope you enjoyed this really short video.